Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Supercarlsunday. If you've not subscribed already, you know what to do. So today is Tuesday and I've decided to do another midweek video. And as the sun is shining, I've decided to do a video on my BMW E30. So I've got the BMW in the garage last night and I've put it on the new lift. As you'll see, the lift is an absolutely fantastic bit of kit and I'll pin a link to the website from where I got it from in the comments. Right, back to the car. So I'm just going to take the wheels off the car and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. Look at them calipers, I did them last year. Nice braided hoses. Right, let's put the lift up. So you'll see we're at a proper decent working height here. We're almost on the ceiling, but yeah, perfect. So I'll show you what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be replacing these boots here because they're split. You can see there. Also, I'm going to be replacing these ball joints. So I started taking this one out. I've just put my head torch on so we can see a bit better. So you can see that split there. Obviously that wants replacing. The other side's the same. But on this side, I'm missing something that's supposed to... There's something missing off here. It's supposed to slide up. It's not right anyway. I need to have a look at it. There's normally like a bung in the end. This has got this thing on here and it's not really working properly. Just trying to get my head torch out of the camera's view so you can see. This is just basically sliding over this and it's just not right. When this is turned in full lock that way, it's going in that far, there's nothing for the gator to clamp to. And when we go back round the other way, we'll pull it right out. Yes, the gator, it's like as if it goes to there. I mean, obviously we've got a bit missing. It's just not right. I don't know if there's supposed to be something on this end here. It looks like maybe there's something supposed to be on there. And it's maybe supposed to go over across there and onto there. The other side, now the other side, there's something here. It's different again though. It's... got something here. In fact, it probably is. In fact, it looks, yeah, it looks like it's maybe supposed to have something on there. But the thing is, I can't find this piece. It's this piece that's missing, and I can't find it anywhere to purchase one. So we'll pull this on lock that way. So you'll see that, although it's ripped the top, don't know if that's just worn gator. In fact, it'll maybe slides a bit. I don't know. It's as if it's got too much lock, the car. But yeah, we'll get the new gators on. We'll have a look and see what we can come up with. But I have had a bit of a plan to deal with this issue, to be honest. Obviously, I've got, for those of you that follow the channel, you'll know, I've got a lathe. And what I was thinking is I bought some nylon bar here. I bought some of this and I was thinking of putting this on the lathe, lathing a piece down, drilling a hole through the middle of it, lathing a piece down, cutting it in half and then fastening that over here for the gator to go onto. It might work. It might work. Well, that's one off, and it was a bit of a pain in the ass, so I had to use heat to heat this up to get it to undo. So I'm going to get this cut off here, and this one up here. So yeah, we seem to be missing one of these from the other side. So this is what we need to make. Something like that for the other side. So I've just moved my lamps under here so I can see better. I should have moved them round before really. There's loads more better light now. Anyway, I've got some grease here. I'm going to get this bashed open. It wants to be going in this joint. Just going to give that a wipe out first. Now then, I've got this clip on and I've got a special tool to tighten it up. TikTok special. I'm not doing a very good job there. Get the new ball joint on now we've got the gaiter on, and we'll just guesstimate this for now. We're looking like. Oh. Okay, now I don't know if it's going to go much more. That's about it. We'll grease it up so it's easier to get out. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. That'll do me. On to the side now, and I've just put some tape round here to mark that. So when I put it back on, I know how far to wind it back in. Now, I've just got to make that bit with the lathe. So you'll see it's that bar, that nylon bar's not very straight. You see it's wobbling about a bit, so we're just going to have a go at cutting a piece off. Bar, she smells a bit. We best back her off, let her cool down. Feel like I'm driving a steam train. Right, we've got that bit lobbed off there, and I'm now going to engage this, and I'm going to take this down a bit to make it the size that we need it. Got to put a hole through it now. So we just need this chopping off here now and it's done. So I've got that fitted on there now, and I've got this job worked out. So we've got two lots of pliers. Must have been a set. There's these here, and then there's them there. So you go at it with these first. Get it like that. And then you do it with these after. Like that. And I've worked that backwards and forwards a few times now, and it's staying on. So before it was pushing the boot over here, but that new piece I've made, I've put that in, it's fixed the job perfect. So that same job's done now on the BMW E30, and I've now got it booked in for MOT. But unfortunately, I've got to wait until next Tuesday. In the meantime though, there is a few other jobs I can be getting on with the car. So we've got all these leaves that are going to need cleaning up. And we've got some mould on the back seats. So it's not very good inside. I guess that's what happens when you park a car up outside over winter. So that's this Wednesday's video on the BMW E30. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all in Sunday's video. Thanks for watching.